Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Question number 1. Sentence A. Under the inquisitorial system, the public investigator has the duty to investigate not just on behalf of the prosecutor, but also on behalf of the defendant. Sentence B. By contrast, the inquisitorial system begins historically where the adversarial system stopped its development. Sentence C. Therefore, from the standpoint of legal anthropology, it is historically superior to the adversarial system. Sentence D. It is 2 historical steps removed from the system of primate vengeance. Sentence E. The trial is still viewed as a duel between 2 adversaries referred by a judge who at the beginning of the trial has no knowledge of the investigative background of the case. The correct answer is option 1. That is, E is the inappropriate sentence. BDCA is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has the sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. The same group of researchers who found negative effects from certain video games has more recently found that 2-player aggressive video games, whether cooperative or competitive, reduce the level of aggression in children's play. This is sentence A. Sentence B. The effects of video violence are less simple, however, than they first appeared. Sentence C. A 2-person aggressive game seems to provide a cathartic or releasing effect for aggression, while a solitary aggressive game may stimulate further aggression. Sentence D. There has long been the belief that violent content may teach violent behavior. E. It may be that the most harmful aspect of the violent video games is that they are solitary in nature. The correct answer is 2. That is, D is the inappropriate sentence. BAEC is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. They do exist, but only secondarily. Sentence B. It is useless to look for differentiations. Sentence C. The technical phenomenon, embracing all the separate techniques, forms a whole. Sentence D. Its parts are ontologically tied together In it, use is inseparable from being. Sentence E. The common features of the technical phenomenon are so sharply drawn that it is easy to discern that which is the technical phenomenon and that which is not. Answer is option 3. That is, D is the inappropriate sentence. CBAE is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has the sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. But the decay of Olympus led to a revival of old and the invasion of new magic cults among the people, while some philosophers were looking to a vision of the uniformity of nature under divine and universal law. Sentence B. But ritual is more fundamental than mythology, and the study of Greek ritual during recent years has shown that beneath the belief or skepticism with which the Olympians were regarded lay an older magic with traditional rites for the promotion of fertility by the celebration of the annual cycle of life and death, and the propitiation of unfriendly ghosts, gods, or demons. Sentence C. Some such survivals were doubtless widespread and prolonged into classical times, probably made the substance of Eleusinian and Orphic mysteries. Sentence D. As Xenophanes recognized as long ago as the 6th century before Christ, whether or not God made man in his own image, it is certain that man makes God in his. Sentence E. The gods of Greek mythology first appear in the writings of Homer and Hesiod, and from the character and actions of these picturesque and for the most part friendly beings, we get some idea of the men who made them and brought them to Greece. The answer is 4. That is, A is the inappropriate sentence. D, E, B, C is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has the sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. Something of the same kind happens when the scientist investigates any unit or pattern so distinct to the naked eye that it has been considered a separate entity. Sentence B. The idea of stuff expresses no more than the experience of coming to a limit at which our senses or our instruments are not fine enough to make out the pattern. C. As Teilhard de Chardin has so well expressed it, the isolation of individual atomic patterns is merely an intellectual dodge. Sentence D. This gives these ways of liberation something in common with psychotherapy beyond the interest in changing states of consciousness. He finds that the more carefully he observes and describes it, the more he is also describing the environment in which it moves and other patterns to which it seems inseparably related. Answer is 2. That is, sentence D is inappropriate. BAEC is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.